In this video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from a Visa gift card over to your bank account. So to start with, I recommend you head over to the Visa gift cards website, and from here you can see all of the gift cards that they actually offer. Now, not all of these gift cards will allow you to transfer it to your bank account, so I'd recommend to do a bit of research first to see if your gift card is actually able to be transferred into a bank account. But if you're not sure and you want to give it a go anyway, you can follow the steps in this video. So to start with, I'd recommend that you go down to the bottom of this page and actually check your gift card balance. So you can click this yellow button here and you'll get redirected to this site, and here we can see all of the different gift cards that they offer, and when we click on one of these we'll be able to check the balance for that specific card. So if we had a Visa Vanilla gift card, for example, we could click here and we get redirected to this page, and we can now manage our Vanilla gift card by entering the details and checking the balance. So you first want to put in the card's number, then the expiration date, and then the CVV. From there you can click continue and you can see how much balance is in there. So as long as you have a balance in there, it should be able to get withdrawn. So what you want to do from here is open up PayPal. Now if you don't have PayPal, you can try Cash App as well, but in this video I'll be showing you how to do it via PayPal. So what you want to do when you're logged into your account is go over to this bank accounts and cards section, and we can simply click link card or bank account. From there, we want to choose to link a debit or credit card, and we can now enter in our Visa gift card's card details. So although it says debit or credit card, since the Visa gift card works like a debit card, this will mean that most cards will be accepted under this. However, as I said earlier, not all Visa gift cards will be accepted, so you do want to do some research first to make sure it is accepted. So you can put the card number in here. Then for the card type, we obviously want to choose Visa. You can then put the expiry date in here, the security code, as well as your billing address, and then you can click link card. Now if you have successfully done that, your card will now be added to a PayPal account, and you can now use it just like you would with any other card. So what we can do from here is go to the send and request tab inside of PayPal, and we can choose to send the money and go over here to where it says send to bank account. So we can click on this, and from there we can go through this process of sending the money that's on our Visa gift card over to our bank account. So that's how you can transfer money from a Visa gift card to your bank account. I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching.